It comes down to what tool you want to be using. When we look at all of these, Google Analytics, Semrush, and ahrefs are great, just kind of general search marketing tools, things that bring in a lot of data that you can then analyze. So these are examples of analysis interfaces. These are things that the kind of broad bring in raw data that you then need to process. When it comes to performance dashboards, I would mention Looker Studio. Domo and Power BI also fall within this. I know there's probably somebody in the audience who has interacted with Power. It's a Microsoft tool that pulls in a lot of different business intelligence tools that can be used for mostly dashboarding. You can use it for the analysis side too, but it's mostly dashboarding. And then for more storytelling focused tools, pop up a lot. Visme is more of a data integrated tool. Canva is just a design tool. So it's you have your data separately, and then you need to try and either you have a designer on staff or somebody who's just good at Canva who can then take that data and visualize it in its own original way. They're not really integrated with the data tools though. So you need to take the data and then separately visually process it. This is true for if you're working within Adobe as well. No real integration with those tools. You just need to kind of have your data and then find an interesting way of visualizing separate from that. Tableau, on the other hand, does integrate with data tools and allows you to then work within the data that you send to it to create kind of really interesting dashboards. It's a lot of flexible ones. So if you're really just interested in storytelling, I think Tableau is a cool tool. Not as good on the performance and dashboard front, although some people might debate that, but I think it's really got some interesting options from a storytelling perspective.